So I was going through Fiverr the other day and I made a very shocking discovery. I discovered a gig that I never thought would amount to anything in this world. But the numbers don't lie. I mean, I've seen sellers over there amass up to 700 reviews, 600 reviews. Some even have 10 orders in queue. Another thing caught my attention. That only few sellers are offering this gig on Fiverr. Why? Because you only need a special gift to be able to offer this gig. So if you're a digital ogbanje out there, or you've got some psychic power of some sort, then this gig is for you. So without further shalaye, let's dive into the details. Okay, so guys, as promised, I'm here to show you low competition gig that sells like wildfire. Trust me, people are not doing this. Like no much sellers is on this gig, so you have high chances of making sale and breaking through this particular gig. But it's only meant for special persons. Okay, but that notwithstanding, I'm going to show you the gig. So what I want you to do for me, please, before we get started, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, leave a like this video, I will appreciate, and also comment if you have any question. Okay, so this particular gig is, let's go over to Fiverr. Okay, I was shocked when I saw this gig yesterday, man. Look at if you go under lifestyle, it's under lifestyle. Okay, under astrology and psychics. Okay, so if you check now, you see that astrology and psychics. Okay, so and you have so many categories. You have spell casting, reading, reiki, love and relationship, dream analysis, feng shui, whatever that means. Okay, but under this particular category, you have only 13,712 services available. That shows you that only a few amount of persons do this. Don't mind the number. Should I open up a gig? If I open up another category, let me open up one here, so you see that this is relatively low. Like the competition in this. Let me open up. What do you guys see here? 200 and something thousand, right? 200 and something thousand services available. So 200 and something thousand compared to 13,700. That means it's relative very, very low. Okay, low competition. Okay, but not just this. What you're on Fiverr is to make money, isn't it? Yes. That's the reason. But these are the pointers you look out for. This gig now, what caught my attention is that people had 780 reviews on I will customize a distance energy healing section. My God, look at 780, 270, 484, 29, 261. Man, the numbers don't lie. Look at, do you guys see it? 1K, 60, 46. Okay, 1,000. My God, like the numbers keeps on increasing, keeps on going. Even if I open to page 2, let me open to page 2, so you guys see what this is like very, very shocking to me. Look at 300, like the numbers don't lie now. Look at it now, isn't it? 367. Look at now. Okay, so that's to show you that this gig is selling. This gig is selling. As you can see, the number of reviews, as I taught you in other lessons. Okay, not just this. Let's just open up to one of these gigs. Let's see. I'll use telepathy read. Okay, let's open up one of these gigs. 3 orders in queue. Do you guys see? And just 3 orders in queue. Okay, then let's open up another one, so it won't be as if I'm just being partial, like just one gig. 5 orders in queue. I mean, let me open up to another one. Okay, let's go with this one that has less distance and high price. 1 order in queue. My God. So my God, I'm so surprised. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. If you are seeing this, if you are shocked as well, leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, so I think I have no more proof. Like I don't need to take this video too long, but you guys can see that this is hot. Like it's selling, people are selling and people are buying. Then another thing, what I want to stress is, what are these people doing? Like, what are they doing? What is this gig all about? It's all about spell casting, all those spiritual thing, blue eyes, reading, like if someone should dream interpretation, love and relationship. Let me open up to this. Dream analysis, if someone should have a dream, analyze my dream and all those kind of psychic power. Just look at this. I'll do a full moon karma spell. Okay, I'll perform an intuitive energy healing and reading. I'll create lifetime energy. These are serious gigs. Also, that's why I mentioned at the beginning of the video that that you need some special power. This is not where you just come mess up, like take people's money and won't do anything. I mean, if you have psychic powers, you can do all of these things mentioned. You can interpret dream. You can do a spell back. You can cast a spell. This is for you. Okay, not just for anyhow people. Please don't. If you can't do this, don't come here and sign up and scam people of their money. No, we don't accept that on Fiverr. Okay, so make sure that you can deliver, that you deliver on what you promised. All right. Okay, so on love and relationship, this is just a 1,000. Okay, this is just another category that is selling. Okay, but I'll leave this gig for another day. Okay, let me leave it for another day. But hold on, guys. Okay, so I haven't shown you this gig. I just want to quickly mention the features of this gig. Sorry. Okay, there are only few sellers, which I told you earlier. Easy delivery. Like if you've got this gift, it won't take you much hours to cast a spell and all of those things. I mean it won't even take much of your time if you know all these things. If you know how to cast a spell, read dreams, interpret dreams, it should be easy for you to deliver. There are more 5-star reviews. Like if you watch on this, let me show you what I mean by more 5-star reviews. If you're on this gig, the good sides I see to this gig is that people hardly get 5-star reviews all through. But if you look on the sellers on this particular gig, you see that almost all have 5 stars. Like look at it, 5 stars, 4.9. That's the least you can see, 4.9 here. Okay, so that means people are actually very grateful that they got to order this gig, and they leave a fantastic review. Let me open some up. Okay, so you guys see what I mean. Let's go to his review section of this person. Okay, you see that this person has up to 473 5-star reviews. Okay, just 4-star, which is quite okay. Okay, and people are leaving great reviews for this person. Look at it. Okay, so and less headache, less revisions. I don't even think that they are they're not even offering revisions. They are not. Okay, they're not even offering revisions. So this gig is a fun one, but for those that are gifted in some manner of way. Okay, for those that are gifted in some manner of way. So if you are one of those that can interpret dream, read psychic, do spell, cast a spell, then please take action. Go over to this particular category and sign up. Okay, sign up. I think I've done justice. I've reviewed this particular gig to you. I've done my own part. Now it's time for you to do your own part. Okay, then I'll end this video by calling on you. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, share this video. It will help tell YouTube that I'm doing an amazing work. Okay, then if you succeed with this gig, please let me know. I need testimonials. I need to see that people are succeeding with my videos. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if it's really worked for you, if you got orders, if you had success with my videos, if you applied it and it works for you. Let me know in the comment section. This is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.